Yeah. So in the previous class, we have studied about the, sorry, filters in the Power Query. So we have studied about three types. I have said there will be three types of the filters which will be there in the Power Query. So we have discussed about what are text filters. Okay, in the yesterday class, we have discussed about total number filters. And in the today's class, let us study about the date filters. Okay, so these are the three topics. Date filters will be through the entire class. We'll be studying about the date filter only because there are in many ways that you can filter your data in the date filter. So this date filters will somewhat tricky, but it is easy to understand when you follow it very carefully. Okay, so now let us start the session. Right. So in order to apply, like right now we are in the Power Query editor. So I want to do the filters in the Power Query in this orders table. Okay. So what is meant by date filters? If you try to apply the filters on any date column, the date filter will be enabled. So you can see here this date. See, date filter automatically detected. So in the date filter in this many ways that equals before in more than 10 or 12, 15 types ways we can filter your data. Now, my first requirement is I want to apply the filter. Suppose we are in the date filter. So I'm clicking on date filter. Okay. And one more thing before starting this, I want to say that in this order date, you have data from 2014. This we have the order date. In the order date, you have dates from 2014 and the last date is 2018. You will be having the dates from 2017 to 2018 data only we have. Okay. In this order, these are the old tables where we have the data from 2014 to 2018 data. It is there. Now, I want to apply the filters. To apply the filter, you need to click on the filters button, this date filter. First, we see equals to. What is meant by equals to means here you can enter any date. Suppose out of this data, I want to filter out the date. That means these are the every order will generate what order ID and order date. So your client is asking filter the orders, dates, filter the customers when they have ordered the product on 15th August 2016, 15th August of 2015. So how you select, you will go to the equals to, go to calendar. In the calendar, I have said you previously, if you click on these two dots which are at the back side, you will go to previous year. If you click this triangle, which is there one triangle, you will go to one previous month. See right now July 2025, right? If I click on this double arrow, it will go to 2024. Years will change. Okay. If you click on this and if you click on this button, months will change. So it will go 1 month back side. See July 2023 means it will, if you click on this, it will go to June. Year will be same, only month will change. Right. To go 1 year back, you will click on this double arrow. If you want to go to previous month, you will click on this arrow. Same in the forward. Like if you click on this single arrow, it will move 1 month forward. May means if I click on it, it will go to June. June. So here will be same. If I can click July, if you click August, like this. If you click on this double arrow, it will go 2023. If you click on it, will go to 2024. See, years will change. 1 plus 1 year, 25, 20, like this it will go. Now my requirement, your client is asking, what is the orders that are placed on 15th August of 2016? So how you will do? First, you will try to change year, right? So in order to go to 2016 means it is back, right? You need to go 2026 to 2000, you need to go back. To go year back, you need to select on this arrow. 2020, 2016 we have stopped. I'm saying on August 15th, right? See, right now we are in August 16th. I will click on 15th. 2016, we'll click on August. See, August 15, 2016. Let us check whether customers have added any products on this date. If you click on OK, it will appear over here. See, on this 15th August 2016, so order ID. See, for every product, they have generated order ID. So this many orders are took place, and these are the customers. Max Angel and Binaval, he added 4 times. See, this customer added the product 4 times. That's why you got 15 year 2016 4 times. Like if you want to filter any specific date, if you want any filter any specific date, you can go here. So once filter is applied, and if you can go here, you can change here also filtered rows. So you can see filter equals to 15/8 2016. So we can find on this particular date how many. And one more thing, if you want to add equals, if I want to find 15th August, and also I want to add, I want to know persons who are ordered the products like or equals to, I want 15th August products, and also a customers who have added the product on like not only 15th August, I want to add 16th August also. Okay, 2004, 13, 14, 15, 16, July. After July, August will come, right? August. So I want to add July, August 16. So click on OK. See, the product ordered on 15th August and 16th August you got. So you can filter at the 2 dates also. And if you want to add any 3 dates, one more ads with the basic filter, we cannot do it, but you can do it on advanced filter. Advanced filter. You can add class. Okay. And here instead of and, what you need to use, or this you should not forget, or then equals to, you can select equals to, if you want to another 15th August, 16th August, 17th August also if you want. Just 2025, right? If you go here, you can go years back. So that's why previous year it is enabled, right? 24, 26 like this, you can go 2016, you will stop. Okay. So July, right? I want August. You can click on this August. So 15th, 16th, 17th also I want. Select 7. Click on OK. See, these are the customer added on product 15th. This is 16th. See, if you filter out, you can see here. So here 15, 16, 17, that only will be highlighted, or you can directly, you can see here also 15th August, 16th August. So there are few persons. If you want to sort ascending or sort ascending, I will do. Yeah. So from here 15, these are the customers added on 15. These are the 2 customers added the product on 18. This is the only one customer who have added the product on 17. Like this, you can find the filters on specific date. So in order to find, so I'm removing this order dates. In order to find the customers which have ordered product on specific date, you can click on equals to. Now, one more thing, if you want to remove these filters, how you can filter from here? You can ask, suppose you have applied 3 filters. Suppose I want to remove these 2 filters. Okay, second and third, I don't want. So how you can, when you come here, there will be option called as 3 dots will be appear. Once you click on here, and you can click on delete. So that row will be deleted. And if you want to delete this also, click on 3 dots, delete, and you can see only one is appear. Now, if you click on OK, see only 15th August it is there. Okay. Now go to the filtered rows. Now we have seen equals option. There is one option called as does not equals to. Now you need to say if filter out does not equal to 15, 18, 2016, if you select, the customers order products on all dates, it will appear, but the customers who have ordered the products on this date, that means 15/8, these are the customers, right? These orders will not appear except these order IDs. All will, you will get all the order IDs because you have selected does not equals to. If you click on OK, see. But in here you can be 15/8 2016, you will not find over here because you have unselected it. Okay. So this is how you can select the data. Let's see, 15/8 2016 does not equals to we have selected, right? So it is in unchecked format because why? What is the reason we have selected? I want to filter out the order which does not equal to this date. Except this date, all the dates will be appear in your column because if you have selected does not equals to. Now there is one another option called as is before. What is meant by is before? If your client is asking, suppose I want to get the order dates before 2015, before 2015 or before 2016. In the starting of the class, I have said this order date contains information from the years of 2014 to 2018. Okay. Now your client is asking, I don't want the latest data. Okay. 2016 and 17 data I don't want. I want 2014 and 15 data. Okay. So in that condition, you can select is before and you select January 1st, 2016. 2015, right? August, like here, 2016. We go to August, July. If you go click on here, 1 month back. Okay. June, May, April, March, February, January. Okay. January 1st. I want to filter out all the dates before January 1st, 2016. Means what the dates you will get? You will get December 31st, 2015 to above dates. Okay. Right. So because you want 2014 and 15 data only, right? So before 2001, 2016 means what is the one day before it? December 31st, 2015. So for the 2015 year, the last date will be December 31st. So whatever the dates which are there in this particular order date, which is before January 1st, 2016, all dates you will get. Reason being, your client is asking January 2014 and 15 data, right? So if you want 14 data means automatically here this data already have said this data contains 2014. So 2014 data you will get. And the 2015, the last date is December 31st, 2015 is the last date, right? I've selected is before. So whatever the dates which is before January 1st, 2016, that years you will get. That means December 31st, 2015 to all above dates you will get. If you click on OK, you will see. See, it starts from 4th January 2014. So because here the data we have in the January 4th, it is starting from the 4th. And the last date you see, December 31st, 2015. See, December. That means 2015 years data you want, you got 2014 years data you want. So in order to get the previous year data from a particular date, you will use a function called as is before function. Okay, is before function. Now let us select instead of is before, I will select is before or equal to. What is the difference? If you select is before, this date will not get except this date. What is the before? From before date it will get. But is before or equal to means you will get this date, January 1st, 2016, and whatever the dates which are present above January 1st, 2016, that means December 31st, December 30, December, those dates you will get. That is called is before or equal to. So if you use is before or equal to, in the final filter, the data, you will get this date, January 1st, 2016, and what are the dates which are present above that particular date also you will get. If you want to see here, see. So same, you are up and see from 4 you are getting here and the last date you see January 1st 2016 data. And one more thing, when you select this January 2014-16, so if any date it is not appearing, so think that in that particular date it may be that the customer have not ordered any product. So if I select instead of this I select before like 2016, right? If I select January 4th or something. Okay, January 4th or something. Click on OK. Okay. Now let us see the last one. It is not loading because the list is incomplete. That's why it is not on. See, now it is loading. See what I am selecting, filtered rows. I want to select is before or equal to 4/1/2016. That means you are getting the date order product on 4/1/2016 and above that 4/3/2/1 like this. So from here to what is the start date of 2014 up to that date 3/1/2014 is a start date. So why do we don't have 2/1/2014? The reason being it may be think that on that particular date the customer may not be ordered the product. It's not a rule that on every day the customers will order the product. So that's why we are not, if on particular date no product is ordered, you will not get the order over here, the date or order date over here. So if I select the filter over here, instead of 4/1, if I try to select January or 1st 2016. Okay, the last day. That means January 1st you will get, as early said, January 1st. And what is the dates about that also you will get. Okay, see over here. List is incomplete. When I click on load more, it will load. Is before or equal to. So if there is that particular date, if it is order is there, one is on before equal to. If I select one more thing, if on that particular date, if order is not there, so February 2nd, I will select. Will definitely get the data. So see, to 1 2016 by 1 it is not getting, means on 1/12 that means January 1st 2016 the customers has not ordered the product. Okay, if I select is before means this date and above what are that particular date, that dates will appear. Okay, now apart from that, there is another option you can see here, is after. Is after, what is meant by is after? If I want to now I don't want old data 2014 and 15. I want 2016, 17, 18 data. Okay, 14, 15 I don't want. So I want if I want 2017 data, 18 data. If I want 2016, the client is asking last 2 years data. That means 2017 is 2018 data he want. He don't want the 2014, 15, 16 as it is a old data. He don't want. So in that condition, if you select, I want to 2017 and 2018 data, right? I will go to December. Okay. So June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. This is December. I will go to year December 2016. I will go December 2016, 31st. So I want to filter out all the dates after December 12, 2016. Then what dates I will get? 2000 after to December 12, 2016. The January 1st, 2017 is the first date, right? You will get January data, 2017 data. And what is the data which is there after 2017? That means in our table, I said it has 2014 to 2018 data, right? So you will get 2017 data and 2018 data. In future, if any new data is added, that data you also will get, because if I selected is after 31/12/2016, that means December 2016 after this particular date, whatever the dates are there in that particular column, all the dates will appear. Okay, see, if you want to check it, you can check it. See, you are getting the data from the January 1st, 2016. So after December 31st, 2016, January 1st is only the first date, right? From there, and if you see the last data, list is a load more. If you go to the last date, see 30/12/2016. That means it is having the data of 14, 15, 16, 17. 4 years data it is only there. The last data is 30/12/2016. So in the order table that we are using, we have only 4 years data, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so it is selecting like a 2014. See, if you want to get the last year data, which is 2017 data, then you can give to is after. Okay, and if you click on is after equal to means if you want this date you will get 31/12/2016 it you will get, and whatever the dates after this date also you will get. Click on OK. See 31/12 is after or equal to means that date you will get, and whatever the dates which are after that. So 2013/12/2017. So as of now in the order date or ship date you have 4 years data only, because while in the sample order sheets that you are loading 14, 15, 16, 17 data is there, 4 years data. Okay, like that you can apply is after in order to find the latest data. Now is in the next is in the previous. Okay, for this you need to make some changes if you want to understand, if you want to work on this. So what is meant by is in the next? So is in the next if I want what are the before this date, I will try to click on is in the next. Suppose 3 days, 3 years, or 3 days. So particularly if you are getting right now, you are in which date? You are in, this is July 16, 2025. July 16th you are. So if you click on is in the next 3 days, so 16th data is there, right? 17th, 18th, 19th, if any dates are there, that date is it will filter. That is called is in the next. But if I click on OK, I will get the blank values. What is the reason? Because in the orders date that we have loaded, we have data from 2014, 15, 16, 17 only. But if you are using is in the next 3 days means it will go and check the calendar year. Yes, today is July 16th. If in this particular date, the next 3 dates data, if it is there, 17, 18, 19, it will give you that value. But as of now, you don't have any values. If you click on OK, you will get the blank records. Okay. Now, for everything, if you understand for this thing, what I will do, clear filter, I will go and try to change my system date. Okay. I will change this system date, the calendar date. I will make it as some July 2017. Then I will use that function. So it will be easy for you to understand. Why I'm changing the system date? Because here you have the data from 2014 and the last data is what, like 2014 data to what is the last date? You have 2017 data only. But if you click is in the next means from here it will count. So the future data we don't have, right? So I will try to change the system date. How to change the system date? You need to click on this. Okay, this is a step that you need to understand. Then after that, you need to go to the notification setting. Okay, notification setting. Once you go to the notification settings, here you can type it as time something. Okay. When you click on time, it will option change the date and time, it will appear. So you need to click on change date and time. Once you click on change date and time, so it will show set time zone automatically, it will be on. Set the time automatically. The second one, it will be automatically in the on position. Now I need to change, I need to set the date manually. So you need to off that. Once you click on off that, if you disable that, it will show you option set the date and time manually. Okay. So I am changing the data for our requirement. Okay. In order to explain you more clearly on the date filters. Now you need to click on change. Once you click on the change, so right now you are in 16th July 2025. Now I will change this date. I want to change it to suppose 2017. I will change, or 2000 June. I will make June. Okay, June 2017. I will say 16th June 2017. I will select and I will click on change. Once you click on that change over here, like set this change automatically. Now, if you try to close this, 16/7/2007, why it is not changing? Let me change it again. Change date automatically. It should change actually. Let me try again. Time, change date and time. Select the change. Okay. Now I want to select to June. Select 17th June. Here 2017 I need to select. I am on 16th June 2017. I'm selecting this. Yeah, okay. Once you select, you need to click on this. Instead of here,
Right click
you
on
need
the
to click on this right click. Yeah, that is the reason. 16th July. Yeah, 16th July I'm selecting. Right click on. Now you click on change. Yes. Okay, you need to click on that button and click on the change. Now your date is changed to 16/7/2017. Now, as of now, you think, don't think you are in 16th July 2025. Let us think that we are in presently in the 2017. Okay. And after completing this class, again, I will change my date to 2025. But as of now, think we are in 16th June 2000. Why I am changing here? Because I have the data which is old data. And if we want to explain this is in the next, is in the previous, and in order to explain all this concept, I want the date which is very latest. So I don't have the latest data. So what I have did, instead of that, I have changed my date to the old date. Okay. So think that you are in 16th July 16, 2017. Now, if you click on here, see the date filters is in the next. Okay. Once I am clicking is in the next. So if I click on is in the next 3 days, okay. And one more thing, whatever the data which is there in the order date, we have dates from how many? January 2014 to 2017, December 31st, 2017 data you have. Okay. Now I am clicking is in the next 3 days. That means we are in 16th June 2017, right? It will get you 17th, 18th, and 19th data. See, if you click is in the next 3 days, if you select on OK, see the data you will get, what data you will get? 17th, you are in 16th, 17th, 18th, and you may ask me 19th. Why 19th date you are not getting? Because there may be chances that in the 19th, no customer has ordered any product. That's why the date is not appearing. But if any customer has would have ordered the product, you would have got that 19th date also. Okay, like that. So if you click on is in the nest, that means it will from here, it will count 3 days and it will give the data. So 16 means it will go and count 17th, 17th, if any orders are there, it will give. 18th, it will give. 19th, if you try to see in this order date, if you have 19, but on it may be chances that there no customer has ordered the product. That's why you have not got that value. Okay. So that is called as is in the nest. So not only is in the nest, if I want to select is in the nest 3 instead of days, is in the next 1 year. Suppose I'm selecting instead of first, you may select many is in the next 1 year. So you have 17th, 2017 data. I want is in the next 1 year. If I click on OK, I will get the empty values. What is the reason? I am getting the empty values because right now you are in 2017, 2018 data you don't have, right? That's why you are not getting. So if you want that also, you can go and manually, it is up to you. Can better if we select 2016, it will be more better for you. I am selecting time. So usually for all the students, I will try to change this to 2016 because last date is 2017, right? Let's change. Click on click. Right. So 16/7/2016 I changed. Now I will try to apply, go to the order date filter. I will try it is in the next 1 year. I will select next 1 year. I will select is in the next 1 year. If I select on OK, see, I will get 2017 data. Okay, here I will get the 2017 data. That means January 1st, from the January 1st, it will try to load December 31st. That means if you click in here, right now you are in 2016 data. You are asking is in the next 1 year, right? If it is next 1 year means it will try to filter out what is the first date in the next year. What is the first date in the next year? January 1st. And what is the last date in the next year? That means 2016 means 2017 last date is 30/12/2016. So it will filter out all the dates which are there in the next 1 year. So that is called as is in the next. Now, if you select not only is in the next, if I select instead of year, if I select quarter, is in the next quarter. If you click on OK. Right now, where we have July, right? Okay, July. So what is meant by what are the 3 quarters you have? January, February, March. First quarter, for every quarter you will have 3 months, right? In the quarter, that means in the year will be divided into 4 quarters. January, February, March, first quarter. April, May, June, second quarter. June, July, April, May, June, January, February, March, April, May, June, second quarter. July, August, September, third quarter. October, November, December, fourth quarter. That means July. If we are in July, that means we are in which quarter? July, August, September. That means you are in third quarter. Now, if I select is in the next one quarter, if I click on OK, what dates it will select? It will select the fourth quarter. That means July, August, September will be the third quarter, right? Next quarter means October, November, December. October means 10th month, 11th, and the 12th month data you will get. So if you want to see the quarters, usually the quarters will be 4 quarters. Okay, quarter one means Q1. Q1 means it will start from Jan to March. Every quarters will have 3 months. Next, if you have Q2, Q2 will starts from April to April, May, June, right? June. Q3. Q3 starts from July to September. Q4. Q4 starts from October to December. So July means right now we are in which quarter? July 16. That means you are in this third quarter. But you are applying is in the next quarter, right? After the third quarter, what is the next quarter? Quarter 4. Quarter 4 is starting from which month? October. Ending from which month? December. It will go and filter the data only. See, it will October to, if you go to the last, December. That means the next quarter data it will filter. That is called is in the next quarter. Okay. Now you may ask me, you can go see this type of many advanced filters that you can apply. If you want to apply this type of filters, if you want to write in the Excel, you need to apply a lot of formulas over there. But in Power Query, it is very simple. Is in the next minute data also you can filter if you have a live data in your Power Query. Such type of dynamic things that you can implement by using the Power Query, just a menu based option. You should not you don't have, see, for everything it is writing code backside. Don't think that you are simply writing menu based option, it is giving the data. For every menu based option you are clicking, backend it is writing code. Is in the next orders, we will go to order date and it is adding the next quarter, one quarter, the quarters date from the order date one. That's why it is filtering next quarter. So those type of backend formula it is writing by its own when you are implementing the menu based options in the Power Query. So is in the next quarter instead of is in the next 1 month data. If I want is in the next 1 month data means presently you are in which month, you think you need to see here. July 2016 is in the next month, it may give the August data. If you select OK, next 1 month data, or you can select next 2 months data. Select. See, next 2 months data, you are in July, right? Here you are in July. August and September data it will give. See, it will give the August 2016. You are in July 2016. It is giving August 2016 data. See, September 2016 data. That means September 1st to September 30. It is giving from September 1st to September 30. It is giving, and it is giving August 1st to 2. You can give the last date August 31st. That means is in the next month means it will avoid, it will not consider this month. It will go to the next month. What is the first date of next month? August 1st. That month it will give. Is the next 2 months, right? After August, September, September 1st to September 30 data it will give. So like that, you can filter out is in the next 2 months data also. You have seen next 2 months, what next 2 weeks. See, is in the next 2 weeks also. From here it will count the next 2 weeks. Okay, that means if I select is in the next 2 weeks means, see how it will count the data. You are getting the data from over here 17th. You are getting the 17th, and from here it is converting the what is the next 2 weeks, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, like 14 days it will count and it will give the data. Okay, like this it will give is in the next 2 weeks. Okay, and here also is in the next days, next 2 days. See, now you have is in the next 3 days means like 16th you are there, right? 17th, 18th, 19th data. If it is there in that date, if the customers are ordered the product, it will try to give 17th, 18th, 19th data. See, 17th also. This 17th, this many people are 18th, 19th also. Yes, in these 3 days they have ordered the product. You can see. Next 3 days means from here it will count next 3 days. That means it will not count these days. Next 17, 18, 19. 17, what many orders are on 17, how many orders are taken 18, 19, those you will get 17, 18, 19. So like that, you can apply in the next, see is the next 3 days. If you are converting real-time data, suppose if you work on some Amazon, like if you sub billion day or something, the special offers will be they will keep in the online site. So if you order in the next 2 hours, you will get 50% discount. You will get some coupons. You will get 80% discount. And if the client keeps such offers, and if you want to see in that offer period of 3 hours, if how many products are added, then you can select for ease in the hours. So next 3 hours, suppose if in the order like 3 hours, you have kept in the sales, and after 3 hours, you will try to see the data and how many people are added the product. So like that is also you can see, and is in the next minutes also, within the minutes, how many products. If the offer is for only a few minutes, like is the next minute in particular minute within the previous, suppose within the seconds, how many data order the product, you can filter by using the Power Query. Okay, but this hours, minutes, seconds will be possible when extracting will be possible when you connect to the live data. So suppose customers are storing their data in some SQL database. If you connect to the live data of the client, then you can able to do this. Okay, but you are not connecting to the live data, right? So this table already I have stored in my local desktop, and I am trying to load it. That's why I'm not able to explain hours, minutes, and seconds. But in the real time, if you work on real time data which is given by the client, when you connect to the live database, you can also play with this option. Okay, that is one of the type of the filters that you can apply. Now applying the filters, then let us see is in the next we have seen, is in the previous, same, the options are same. So if I select is in the previous 1 year, it will be easy. So it is in the previous 1 year means, so previous 2016, previous 1 year means it will filter out last year data 2015, January 1st 2015 to December 31st 2015. If you click on OK, see it will filter out the data. See, January 1st. So it will list is incomplete, load more. So in January 1st, why you are not getting January 1st, 2015 means in that date, the customer may not ordered any product. That might be possible, right? So that's why it is starting from 2/1/2015 and it is ending 31st to 2015. So is in the previous 1 year means what is the previous year? That means 2015. The starting of the month of that year to end of the month data you will get. Okay. So that is called as is in the previous. Now is in the previous quarter means, see, you need to answer in the previous quarter means you need to answer which data you will get. Right now you are in which quarter? You are in the third quarter, right? I've explained July means you are in the third quarter. See, this is the quarter you have. Is in the previous 1 quarter means last quarter. The last quarter means it will filter out quarter 2 data. Quarter 2 data will start from which month? It will start from April and it ends with the June. Now, if you go and see, you will get April and June data. See, April, 4th month, May, 5th month, June, 6th. Like this, the data you will get. Right. Is in the previous quarter. Is in the previous 1 month, or if in the previous 2 months, if you want. In the previous 2 months. So we are in July. Previous month is June and previous month is May. June and May data you will get. See, 5th means May, 6th means June. May and June data you will get. 5th means May, 6th means June. So in the previous month means from this month it will go to the 2 months, first of that month to end of the June. Is in the previous months. In the previous weeks also, from here it will count 2 weeks back. So 16th August, right? From here it will try to go and count the 2 weeks bags data, it will get 16.7 is in the previous, right? So whatever the data which is present before that data, you will be getting over here. Filter is in the previous. See, is in the previous 2 weeks data. If you want to filter, what are the dates which are present before these weeks? Like from here, it will go try to count the weeks bags, and those data you will be getting. Okay. Here you can see the last date if you go. So if you want to open the calendar also, you can see. If you want to more quickly analyze this calendar, suppose you can open what is July 2016 calendar, right? Try to open July 2016. Okay, this calendar option will not open right now because we have opened the time setting is there in the previous set. So if you come to adjust the new selection, which is up to July 2016 only, then you will able to get change the time because your clock is behind. I am not getting the live data over here because everything I am going to the backdated rate. Okay, nothing but is in the previous 2 weeks. From here, it will try to count the weeks. Okay, if you open the calendar, week means you need to see here like in the calendar which week it is falling. From that you can count the 2 weeks. It is not like the week calendar. That means from here 15th, if you cannot count the 2 weeks because any week will start from Saturday and it ends with Sunday. So it will avoid that week and it will count the weeks before. Okay, once I finish this data and concept, and I will explain you how to look it, because right now I am not able to change it because my clock is behind. I have set to the old data. Okay, the only thing is it will try to filter out the previous week data. Okay, that is the thing, is in the previous 2 weeks, and is in the previous days. We have said like previous 2 days data. If you want, you can filter out. So right now you are in 16th. What is the previous dates? 15th and 14th, right? So 15th data and 14th data you will get. So that is called is in the previous. So same is in the previous, like is in the previous days. If you have data in the previous hour, suppose think that in the last 1 hour, because from you are in 7/11 to 8/11, the company has given us some offers. And if you want to see how many has ordered the product in the last hour, how many are ordered the product in the last minute, in the last second, how many people have ordered the product in that last means previous. That type of options are also will be available when you connect to the live data in the Power Query. Okay, so those are the options that you can see over here. Now, apart from that, is in the previous, there is an option called as is earliest, is latest is also there. Okay, what is meant by is earliest? Is earliest. If I click on the data, if you click on is earliest, click on OK. So what is the old data which is present in the table? It will get. So I have said this table contains 2014 data to 2017 data. If I click on is on earliest, so what is the first date? Earlier means what is the old date which is there, that date it will be filtered. That is called as is in the earliest. Okay. If I click on is latest, what is if I click on is latest means what is the latest date? That means what is the last date which is there in that part column. So you have said like 2014 to 2017 data we have. Maybe 31st December 2017 might be the last date. So that date it will give. So let us see. See, you have 30, 12 to 31st, you don't have any data. That means think that on that particular date, there may be chances that no person has ordered the product. That's why you have not got the date. In this particular date, the latest date is 30/12/2016. That is called as is in the latest. Now, if you click on is not earliest means except the old date, that January 3rd, 2014 filtered, right? If you click on OK, except that January 3rd, it will not filter. See, it is giving from January 4th. You want to load January 3rd will not, it will select January 4th. That means the the old date which is there, except that you will get all the dates. Reason being, you have selected is not earliest. That means the first date which is there in that particular table, particular column, it will not consider, and remaining dates it will consider. Now, next one is not latest. Means what is the latest date we have seen? 30 December 2017 is the latest date. Except that date, all other dates will appear. If you want to load more, so 30/12/2016, the date will not appear over here. 29/12 is only there. Okay, that is the thing that you need to apply. Is in the earliest, is not latest. Okay, there is another chance called is in year. There is one option called as is in this year, last year, next year, year to date. Is in the last year if you select. So 2016 you are there. You are selecting is in the last year. See, it will try to select right now in the 2017, right? It will try to select January 2015. It will select only 2015 data. That means last year data 2015. 2015 data you will get because we have selected what is in the last year. If you select is in this year means current year 2016 data only you will get, because right now you are in 2016, right? I want to filter out this year, then you will get only 2016 data. So here you have the data from 3rd January 2016 and the latest data 31/12/2016. Is in this year means current year date you will get. Again you go to the filter data. If I select is in the next year. Next year means right now you are in 2016. What will be the next year? 2017. So in this order table, order date column, you have 2017 year, right? So it will try to paste the 2017 data. 2017. January 1st to load more the 2017. You will got. Okay, like that. Now year to date. What is meant by year to date? If you select year to date means, so the January 1st 2016 and the first date of this month to till date where you have 16/7/2017, that date it will click. That is called year to date. 16/7 to YTD means what? Year to date. Suppose right now you are in 16th July 2016, right? If you select year to date means what is the starting date of that particular year? From there up to the current date it will filter. That means currently you are in 16/7/2016, right? Up to here you will get. And what will be the first date? January 1st. So already why you are not getting January 1st? Because on January 1st 2016 there may be chances in this particular order no customer has ordered the product. So that's why you are getting from Jan 2nd to current date. Okay, because these are the not continuous date. In the order day, some people may order the product, some days will not order the product. If on particular day if the product is order only, that date will be reflected. So that is the basic thing that you need to understand before understanding the filter concepts. Okay, right. Now we have discussed over here what is in the year previous. This also discussed year to date. We have discussed last year, this year. Last year means previous year. This year means current year. Next year means it will filter next year data. Year to date means first of that month of that year to the current date. Okay, like that you can try to filter your data by using the date filter. Now is in this quarter. You can say if you want last quarter. What is last quarter means presently we are in which quarter? See, presently we are in which quarter? Third quarter, right? I have seen in the quarter 3 you are in July, right? Quarter. Last quarter means it will try to create the April data. It will try to filter the April data. See, is in the last quarter means April, May, June data you will get last quarter. You can see April data. 5th means May data. 6th June, April, May, June. That last quarter data will you get. Now, if you click on here, not last quarter, if you click on this quarter means present quarter data you will get. See, present which are in which quarter? Okay, third quarter, right? Third quarter will start from which? It will start from July, August, September. So in that data you will get July, August, September only you will get. See, 7th means July, 8th means August, and 9th means September. Those data you will get. Okay, that is called as is in the this quarter. Now if you go next quarter, what is the next quarter means? Right now you are in which quarter? Here, this quarter is quarter 3, right? July, August, September data. Next quarter means October, November, December data you will get. If you see over here, you will see like is in the next quarter. July means August, third quarter, right? You are selecting in the next quarter. See, like July, August, September will be the this quarter. Next quarter means October, November, December. October means 10, November means 11, December will be 12. So that is called as next quarter data you will get. In the same way, if you get quarter one, if you click on quarter one, for all years it will give the quarter one data only. 2015, 16 for all the years, irrespective of all the years, you will get only January, February, March. For see, January 1, 2, 3. For all it will get the first quarter only. You see, all the month will be same. If the years it may be 15, 16, 17, it will be the type of the orders will be getting here is called as, see, if you want to see here in this data also, filter called as, you see the quarter one is in the quarter one. If you try to select all this 1, 2, 3 months will be only there. You can see here in this month 1, 2, 3. That means first quarter data will be only there. Forget even it is 14, 17, 15, 16, but middle month you will see the month you will get first quarter only. January, February, March. See, for all you can see that. If you select here quarter 2, you see all years might be changed, but for all the years, the quarter 2 data only there. What is quarter? April, May, June. See, you have 6th, 4th, 4, 5, 6, right? April, May, June. The middle month will be either April or May, either June. See, those only will get. Years it will be changing, but the months will remain same. If you sort it ascending, yeah, it will become very easy for you to understand. See, for first month 4, 5, 2014, 5, 6. Then it will come to 2015. 2015 also 4, 2015 4th April, 2014 May, that means 2015 May. Again, if you down 2016, 2016 also May, April. That means second quarter April, May, June. You will get for all the years. Years might be changed, but for all the months you will get the here sorting. I am removing here. Will getting over here. That means quarter 1, quarter 3 means for all the years it will take the quarter 3 only. July, August, September. If you select on quarter 4, for all the years October, November, December data you will say. So like this you will get the data is in the quarter, is in the month. So is in the month means we have seen what is meant by last month, this month, next month. If you select the last month, you will get the last month data. You are in currently July, right? See, June month data you are getting 6. That is very simple. If you select, we can click on next month, this month. That means only June month data you will get. See, this 16, this June month, whatever the dates are there in the June month and that June month, June 1st, 2016 to June 30, 2031, June, like 31, 7, 2000. Sorry, this is in July, right? July 1st, 2016 to July 31st data you will get because you have selected this month. Next month we will setting August month data. If you select here, the here 8 August month data you will get. So this is the way that you can 100 types of the filters that you can apply once you understand. If you select on January, only specific is in this month January data, you will get only one that January data will be getting. For all the years, you will get the January only. Okay, January month data. For all the years, if I want to get only is in the month of February, it may be 14, 15, 16 years, I want only February. You can select the February data. And if you click on start ascending, so for all the years you see this data, for 14th February data only you will get, for 15th February data, for 16th February data only get, for 17th February data only get. So like this you can apply the different types of the filters in the Power Query. Okay, is in the month we have seen, is in the week same, is in the day, is in this month. We have seen is in this week, in the February, in this particular week, if you want to see day, you can see hours, but hours, minutes, seconds, you cannot see now because you are not connecting the live data. So in this way, we can apply the different type of the date filters. Okay. So this is called as filters in Power Query. What we have discussed, we have 3 types of the filters that we have discussed in the Power Query, right? So as an example, you can see and you can try. Once you go and search about each and every option, then it will become easy for you to understand. Okay, right? This is like in the week. So previous week means in the week only you will get confused. Week means if you are go to the calendar, see, I will try to change the data at the end of the class and I will explain you. So this is how you can apply equals, does not equal. So after is in the next we have discussed latest, not latest, year, quarter, month, week. Is in the week also previously we have discussed. Is in the day means which day. If you want to filter out the yesterday date, okay, we have yesterday, right? If I want to filter the yesterday, right? See, yesterday to 16th, yesterday date is 15th. 15th date it will filter. That is a very simple one. You go to the filters day instead of yesterday. If you click on today, so it will filter out only today's date, 16th 7. So this is the today date, like this. Go to the filter date. If you click on today instead of today, tomorrow. So tomorrow today is 16th, tomorrow is 17th. If any orders are there in 17th, it will filter. Click on OK. So 17th it is filter. Okay. So like that, you can apply is in the day also. You can apply. So is in the hour. Hour means last hour. If any filters apply, sales have happened. This hour means current hour. Okay. Current hour means it will start from 8 to 9. Okay, 8:25 you are there, right? 8 to 9 like that. If you select the next hour means next 9 to presently 8 to 9, no, 9 to 10 like that. Last hour means you are in presently 8 to 9 in between there. Like if it is between last hour 6 to 7, what is happened that it will fetch. If you that data is available, if you connect to the live data. So in the same is in the hour, you can go to the is in the minute also. Last minute, okay, this minute in the next minute if the data is available. So in that way you can filter your data. Okay, right. So this is called as filters in the Power Query. So we have discussed about the concept we have completed, and yesterday we have discussed what are the different topics here. Power Query topics. We have discussed data types. We have discussed what are unique identifiers. We have discussed this date filters. Okay, Power Query time number filters. We have seen basic filtering and advanced filtering. Now in the next class we'll go and search each and every options in the Power Query, and we can write it to study. In the home option we have this option, right? What is reason source, enter data, manage parameter, property, choose column, remove column. All this you will able to study. We'll go to the transform tab. I will click cancel. Go to the transform tab and how all these options will be useful for you. Next we go to the add column, and I will explain you how you can play with these all options. See, for everything in the Power Query, the next 10, once still complete the Power Query, we will not write single formula. Everything will be write through menu-based options only. We'll play with the menu-based options, and just the person who is having some basic knowledge on English, they can able to play with this option. Okay, this is there is no some technology. It is not that the person should come from the engineering background or some person should have the knowledge on coding only, then they will able to understand, because whatever we have discussed, it is not that much tough, right? Is in the next previous. We need to observe the options carefully, and after applying the filter you need to check the data whether that how the data is changing. So that type of observations you need, it should be there while doing the practice. So that will be more than enough. Okay. Okay, I will stop the class here and I will stop the recording. Okay, so today, as earlier said, the 3 classes that I will provide the 3 classes for fee. So if you are able to understand, if you follow the things, go through the 3 recordings that I post, then you take your decision. So if you think that is worthful for you and you are able to follow the lectures, and if you have the confidence that I can learn this, if I join this Power BI coaching, I can learn something. If you get that confidence and try to enroll the course and try to pay the fee from tomorrow. Okay, so if you have any problem that you can pay somewhat after 2 or 5 days, you need some 1 week time, you can personally ping to my WhatsApp so that I will give the permission so that you can attend the classes. Okay, so try to go through the free classes and take your decision. And if you have any friend circle, and please try to inform if you are any friends are interested to learn Power BI. Okay. Thank you. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class, or if you have still doubts now only, I can clear it now as well. It is clear as of now.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Once you
Clear, sir.
practice, Yeah, once you practice, then if you have while practice, if you have any doubts, you can ping me in the tomorrow while starting the lecture. Then I will clear your doubts and I will proceed with the class. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Bye.
Thank you.